This video is on how to submit response to defective return notice under section 139 subsection 9. Let us first look at the prerequisites for using the service. You should be a registered user on the e-filing portal and you should have filed an income tax return. You should also have received a defective return notice under section 139 subsection 9 or authorized to act as authorized representative for someone who has received such a notice. In this section, following functionalities are covered: response to defective notice under section 139 subsection 9, prima facie adjustment under section 143 subsection 1 clause A, suo motu rectification under section 154, notices issued by assessing officer or any other income tax authority, and seek for clarification communication. With this service, you can view the defective return notice under section 139 subsection 9 and submit and view response to the notice. You can also add or withdraw an authorized representative to respond to defective return notice. Let us now see step by step how to submit and view the response to the defective return notice. You're first required to log in to the e-filing portal and then click on Pending Actions tab and go to e-proceedings. In the e-proceedings section, you can check for defective notice under section 139.9. You can also use a filter to find the notice. After having found the record, you can click on View Notices. On the View Notices page, you can click on Submit Response. You will be taken to a page where the details of the defect will be displayed. You need to agree or disagree with the defect. In case of only one defect, you can provide your response on the same page. However, if there are more than one defects in your return, you will need to click on each defect to provide response to agree or disagree with the defects. Select Agree or Disagree for the defect as applicable. If you disagree, then you have to give the reason for disagreement. If you agree, you have to select the mode of response, that is through offline utility, and select the type of ITR applicable to you. Please note, if you wish to change the original gross total income or claim of deductions under Chapter 6A, you will be required to file a revised return. Now prepare the income tax return using offline utility. After having prepared the ITR, you can click on Attach File and upload the corrected return file generated from the offline utility. Now click on Submit button. You are required to click the declaration checkbox and then click on Proceed to e-verify. You can e-verify your return using Aadhaar OTP, e-verification code or digital signature certificate. You can also decide to e-verify later, however, it is recommended to e-verify now. You can also refer to the video How to e-verify. Your response is submitted. You can view your response by clicking on View Response on the Success page. Filing a response to the defective return notice is very easy. To know more, you may visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.